Can you get a refund for the Snapchat Plus subscription? Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and if any day you accidentally purchase the Snapchat Plus subscription and you would like to just get a refund for it, here are the steps to follow. At first, you have to cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription immediately through the App Store where you made the purchase. This will prevent the further charges. After that, you can contact the respective App Store's customer support to request a refund. You can provide the details about your accidental purchase and request a full refund. For the Apple App Store purchases, you can go to the Report a Problem page, log in, select Request a Refund, choose a region and submit your request. While for the Google Play Store purchases, you can open the application, go to Account, go to Payments and Subscription, report a problem, select a reason and submit the refund request. What you should know about the Snapchat's refund policy: it is important to note that Snapchat does not offer the refunds or the prorated refund for the cancelled subscription. Refund requests are subject to the App Store policies and not Snapchat's, and you will continue to have the access to the Snapchat Plus feature until the end of your current subscription period, even after cancelling. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.